I think it's maybe a throwback to a simpler time. I think it's one of the festivals, one of the few that you come into town and it's not really structured. There is a certain amount of structure to things, but it's very wide open. We want people to have fun. Some of the events are very simple, like the moon pie toss and walking around with the RC on your head, and the kids, just for whatever reason, just eat it up.
We sat down and said, what we want to talk to you guys about is throwing a birthday party in Bell Buckle for the moon pie. We understand it's its 75th birthday. They said, yes, but you eat moon pies.
Moon pies. Moon pies.
The thing about moon pie, it's one of those, it's two Southern classics. It's the things that we grew up with in our life that you can't go back to just exactly like your childhood, but it certainly is a close facsimile. When we were kids, we always bought RCs and moon pies because they were the cheapest product on the market. In my childhood, it was 15 cents for an RC and 15 cents for a moon pie, which candy bars were a quarter and so were Coca-Cola. So for economic reasons, they were popular with us kids here in Bell Buckle.
RC and Moon Pie, played by Sarah Ashley Hunt and Sam Hathorn.
Up to the top of the hill, and the race will begin there.
There's so many things that are involved in the Moon Pie Day. You've got a 10-mile run that starts at 7 a.m. That means some of us are here between 3:30 and 4 to get that all ready. And then the fun and the games start after that.
Thanks for everybody sticking around for this largest moon pie. Get you some pictures. We're going to cut the moon pie here in a minute. We got Commissioner here. We got the movie star here. We got the Mayor of Bell Buckle here. We got everybody here.
Once you start walking, you can't touch the can, okay? I think she's going to make it.
And she's got the two.
Does everybody have a seat? Okay, let her fly. Folks, as you can see, we've got the world's largest moon pie.
Synchronized waiting is what really launched this entire event into a big-time extravaganza. Everyone comes to see this ridiculous aqua theatric event. It is dry humor on a wet stage. Everybody in the cast, come here, gather round.
That would be sacrilegious not to have one. Right.
again?
This town is so special. I came here in 1982. There's a magnet here in Bell Buckle that draws certain types of people here. You have to be a little nutty to live here or to come here. But it's like a family. That's what we do here. We put on shows. We welcome the tourists to come here. That's so important to the success of Bell Buckle.
I think this is the best year ever.
Clock is on, Tom.
It is a wonderful year.
The clock is on.
And I attribute all the success to this man right here, Captain Rodney. He's done
the mayor
it all.
has led us now for 2 years, and he's doing a great job. It's just getting better every year.
Good night, Rosie.
Now, folks, remember, come and see us in the Enchanted Village.